everybody, this is Moby, and I will be playing some games, and I have this floating camera that makes me say something that's so disgusting. Okay, now, okay, I will be playing. Look, that's just she's just like hiding. She's like, no, it's the phone alert. Phone alert. Look, she is playing on her phone. Yep, she's playing episode, and episode has
no,
kissing
I'm not
in.
doing episode.
Yeah,
I'm doing
she made
Homescape.
she made a video an episode with kissing in it, and that was just Nas was kissing a lady.
Ew, come on. He passed out on the floor, and then the doctor said, "You cannot come. He can't go back home." And then I slapped him in the face, and then I went to jail.
That is funny. You go like, I slap you in the face, doctor. Oh no!
And she was like, "Police!" The police was like, "Come with me," and then she was in jail for a whole year.
She was in jail for a whole entire year. Can you please stop that? No.
6 minutes left until my Homescape is done.
Okay, I'm gonna be playing Homescapes. My Jay was playing Homescapes too. This is the series of Homescapes.
Yeah, we're gonna be doing the series.
It's the series. Can I pause this without them knowing my password? Or they have to know my password?
Like, usually I start recording when I'm in the game. So, like, stop recording and start recording.